Okay, we're going to record the proper technique for digging up quackgrass. And Chuck's going to demonstrate. You want to start?
Yes.
I'm recording.
Okay, what we have here is we're going to start with a very difficult area. It's in the sod by the tool shed, and show you how you can use a fork gently to loosen up very hard soil. Now if you dug down in here and you push the fork all the way down in and you pull back real hard, you could break the fork handle. But if you start up here and you start in the sod and you loosen it up and you kind of go around to get a start, because you want to get a nice start and then it goes easy after that. So what I'm doing is I'm loosening up around it, and you notice how I just kind of work the fork down by gently pushing down on it. Now I've got a place here that's fairly ready to come out, and then as you shake it on the way out, then just take a hold of your weed or grass or whatever it is and shake it out. Now what you'll see is I have a nice area here that's loose. When I get over to this quack, then we'll be digging quack. But now that that's loose, I can come on this side, work my fork down in there. If it pulls back hard, pull it up and pull back. But if you can get it down there and it pulls back fairly easy, see how that loosens up with the hole here, it brings those roots out easier. And then you can shake and get all that dirt off. And you'll see we have a little bit of quack in there because there's some nice white roots. Now we're into a bigger piece here. And it's not coming very easy, so I'm just working it down a little bit at a time. But the secret is you got to get down deep if you're going to chase the quack roots at the beginning. Now what we're trying to do is to try to keep from breaking the quack roots off. But in this very hard soil, it's hard to do. But they came out pretty well there. But normally if you get along the fence and the chips, the quack roots will go out 3 or 4 feet. And you don't want to pull them very hard because that breaks them off. You want to keep following it till you get to the end so that you get most of the root out. And see, now it comes out quite easily, and when you get down to here, if you pull that way, it loosens up the roots where you're connected there and gives you a chance.
All right. Good demonstration. Thank you, Chuck.
Thank you.